So, how would you like to reduce anxiety and stress? That's what we're going to help you with today, which tapping cleverly does. It works directly with the amygdala that controls the fight or flight response, so it gets us right out of fight or flight and helps us to feel more calm and in a safe space. So by working with the stress response, that's how we can get to where we need to, because we don't need to be in that space of anxiety and stress regularly, because it's just going to make us ill and we don't want that. So I want you to take care of yourselves while you start tapping with me. Wherever that stress or anxiety is, on a number, 10 being really anxious, really stressed, 0 being no anxiety or stress at all, I want you to give that a number for me. Notice where you feel that, maybe in your body. Feeling centres are often in the stomach or the chest. When you get that real feeling, whatever it is, that anxiety, that real tight feeling, or that whatever feeling it is that you get, I want you to notice that in your body now. Just be with that for a moment. I'm going to help you lower it. Okay, right, let's get ready to go. So tapping on the side of your hand. All this anxiety and all this stress, I just want to let it go. And instead, I choose to love and accept me now. But I've been feeling all these anxieties, been feeling so stressed out. What if I could just let that go? And what if I could start to accept me instead of beating myself up? It's okay to feel some feelings sometimes. I want to be able to let go. All these stresses, all these worries, and these anxious feelings in my body. Instead, what if I could just choose to feel more calm, relaxed, and in control? Breathing in feelings of calm, breathing in feelings of relax, and I choose to love and accept me now. Great, going around the points. So I've been experiencing all this stress, all this anxiety. I can feel it somewhere in my body. This clenching or tight feeling, most likely in my stomach or my chest. I just want to be able to let go. But it feels like it's been around for a long time. I don't know how I can let go sometimes. It just feels like part of me. All this stress, all these stressful thoughts, all these anxieties. And it feels like it's been around for a long time. I just wonder how I can let go. But maybe I can just be open to letting go. How would I really like to feel? I don't want to let stress control me. I don't want to let negative overthinking control me. I don't want to let these feelings of anxiety control me. Instead, I get to be in control. Tapping into feelings of calm and relaxed. Knowing that I can be in a space of control. Just breathing into feelings of calm. Breathing into feelings of relax. Even if it's just for a moment. Just noticing how good that feels. Tapping into these feelings. What if I could just let all these old stresses go? What if I could let the worries around this stress go? What if I could let these anxious feelings go? What if I could be in a place of more calm and clarity? Even if it's just for a moment. It feels so good. Just to be able to let go. Just to know that this control isn't outside of me. This is an inside job. Maybe it's safe to start to let go now. All the way back from my past. I'm going to be open to start to break these patterns. I get to choose. I get to be in control. And it feels so good. Being open to let go now. Feeling more calm and relaxed. Feeling in a safe space. And it feels so good. Just being able to let go. through every single cell in my body. That's brilliant, well done. Take a nice deep breath now. Breathe out. Check in with how you feel. Where's that number? Okay. If anything else came up, I want you to note that down. I want you to tap through that. I want you to repeat this video. If you really suffer with stress and anxiety badly, I want you to really repeat this over and over. This is the basics, what we're doing here on the video. I go right in depth into the stuff. If you do need more support, please contact me, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. There's loads more free videos on there, Change for Success. But don't suffer in silence. There's a lot going on at the moment. Just look after yourself, and if you need anything, do get in touch. Okay, take care.